Okay, so next we'll be moving on to creating the add node component, which is like add review component. We're calling it a node right here. So that we'll be creating inside the components folder. So you can call it add review or add node, whatever. I just came up with add node. That was simple. And inside the components, we'll do the add node.js. .js. And the very first thing which we'll do is we'll import the boilerplate code of React using that extension, Control Shift P and RFCE. That's it. So inside of here, now we will first of all we'll give the basic structure, and then we'll give the functionality. Right, like first we'll write the how it will look, and then it will provide the JavaScript. So first we'll provide the JSX. So inside this div, the very first thing which we'll do is the text area. Okay, so for text area we will give some properties like rows and columns. Name is not required, and here we'll give, so id also is not required right now. We'll give just the columns and row, which is the rows are 8 and columns are 10. So columns are 10 and rows are 8. So not 0 8, just 8 is enough. So after that, what we'll do is we'll provide a placeholder. So there will be a placeholder, and we will give the value to it like type review here. Type review here, and then 2 dots. After that, we will have some on change and we'll provide the value, but we'll do that when we are doing the other things like JavaScript. Okay, so after that we'll be having a footer to the node, which will be having the date, and it will showing us the characters, how much characters are left, to which we can write. It will have a publish button to which we will like just click and our review will be posted or published. So after that we'll have another div. So inside this div, what we'll do is we'll write a character list, a character length, how much characters are left, so that we'll write in small tag, small. Inside the small, we'll first of all we'll just write 200 left. We are hard coding it right now, nothing else. Okay, so after this we'll have a button that will be for the publishing thing. So for that I need to import button from material UI. So I will go here and whatever was the button right now, so I will copy this line and I will import the button. So button is imported. So after the small tag there would be the button. So inside here there will be the button, and that is down. It should be self closing, but it is not. So let me provide okay, it got self closed. That's a good thing. So inside the button there would be an some text, and there would be also an icon. So let me write the text. So text will be published, and after that there would be an icon. So that icon we'll grab from material UI. So let us see which one we are going to use now. So we will be using the up arrow key, like the upload thing, this one. Copy this like this more relevant to like publish, and when I come here, so I will import it here, and after this publish I will copy this. So and I just save it. Now when I go to the browser, so okay, it will not show because we have not imported inside the app.js. Okay, my bad. So let us do that first. Inside the app.js, what we'll do is we'll import add the notes, add note. Okay, it auto imported. That's a really good thing. So here what we'll do is we'll write add note. Yeah, and we'll save it. Now it should be rendered on our homepage. And it's loading. Yeah, basically we see a text box which have a placeholder, and there's like the limit to the characters, and there's a publish button. So now basically we'll give some styling so that it looks good. So we'll go here and we'll provide some classes to the divs, and the very first class which we'll provide to this, it would be class name, and inside this we'll give the note new, and the other class is the note footer. Basically this after the text area which is there, so that will be having the class name of note footer. I think that's it. For the button also we can give a class, and class name, and that would be save. Like buttons have the same class, so that would be save. Now let us go and give the styling. Let me first save this, and now we will go to the index.css file. So far we have covered till the search input focus. Now we will go to the note new. So that will be note dot new, and inside of this there would be a background color. Background color would be this, a hex code basically. So that will be CDF and 2CA. I hope that's correct. Okay, we'll save it, and now we'll style the text area. Let me first see if there is some changes. Yeah, we see this color right here. Obviously we don't want it like this, but we'll style it in like coming few seconds or time, so we'll do that. Okay, so inside the node.new we've done it. Now we'll do the text area. So we'll do the border none, resize this to none. Like it should not be providing us that resize thing. We'll give a background color, and that will also be same CDF2CA. We'll save it, and now we will go to see if that looks good. You can see there is no like the resize thing and all. So we'll disable this outline also. There's no need for that in the next coming time. So let us now style it further. Text area, and now we should remove that outline. Text area, focus, and inside of this we'll outline the none. Outline is none. Yep. And now we will save this. Now we go here and see. Okay, look, there's no outline. We are typing it here, but there's no outline. Okay, that's good. That's really nice. So now we will style the node footer. So after the text focus, we'll give the node focus. Sorry, not footer. Node footer, and the node footer. So there will be a display flags, and after that there will be an align items to the center. Align items to the center. I save it and I come here to see what are the changes. There is not so much, but we'll make. So after the aligned center, we'll justify the content to be space between. Justify content space between. Okay, we'll save it. And now if I see there are some changes or not, there are, because this publish button has moved to this, and there is a little bit of things happening here. So that is it. You might be wondering why it's not looking like a card. That we'll do in the note list when we are rendering all of the notes inside one page. So that thing will be done there. So note footer is done, and now basically we can style the note, and we'll do that now. Inside of here, so I think that is it for the head note. Now we'll style the note component where we will render the note. Like this was just for adding. Now when we add, and that will be showing up on the screen in the UI. So how that will look? So that will for that we'll create another component, that is the Node.js. So inside of that Node.js, we'll be creating that that card which will be showing the our review, our date, and it will also have a button to delete and all of that. So that we'll do in the next video.